Hi, good morning, everyone. First of all, I want to congratulate the organizing team, Deen Dayal Upadhyay College and KTM College Nasik, for organizing such a well planned faculty training program for us. And then I want to say thank you to them so that they can provide us an opportunity to learn a new software skills which we can use it smoothly in conducting our online classes in such a pandemic situation. In day one, we have started learning our basic Microsoft PowerPoint and how we can incorporate the animation or the transition skills, even the audio in the Microsoft PowerPoint, which makes our classes more interactive and lively. Then in day two, we have learned about the Google Docs, how to create quizzes, then how to use the automation certificates by using AutoCAD software or CertifyM. This is a new thing that I had learned because we have never knew that this extension tools of AutoCAD or CertifyM will be easily help us in circulating the quiz or online examination certificates to the students. And then in the day third, uh, we have learned about online credit courses. This FTP guides and motivates us to join online credit courses, which help us in updating uh, our knowledge as well as how to learn new softwares, which is required while doing our dissertation work or in thesis or in writing an article, and how these certificates will enhance your CV also. Then they tell us how our government initiatives are taken, like Swayam MOOCs are going on, different educational sources are there, like National Digital Library. Then they discuss about how this mail merging facilities, in which in a bulk we can send emails or notifications to the parents or the students in a one go. Then in the day we have learned about how we can create our learning management system. So as a teacher, I can interact with my class by using the Google Classroom. As an content writer, I can use the learning management system by using the different softwares. Open source softwares are available like Cam Studio, OBS software is available, through which we can record our video, use our image slides simultaneously, edit our video if something we want to change. We can how we can do the screen recording, how we can compress by using different tools. So we have learned n number of the things which actually make us more comfortable while taking our online or we can say virtual classes. It is a blend mix learning that I can say, in which we have done the classroom activity like Google Classroom, and then we have done how to create the material like the learning management system. So FTP is actually providing us a full base or a platform to motivate us to learn our good things and to tell us that yes, we can learn, unlearn, and relearn the same things. Thank you to all the presenters also who gives us a valuable knowledge and offered a valuable information throughout the faculty training program. I want to congratulate the whole team relating to the organizing team, the source provider, the content material they have prepared for us. Thank you. Thank you for giving us an opportunity and learning new things in this COVID period.
Hello everyone. I have attended a faculty training program on pedagogical training for effective teaching and learning. I must say it was a fantastic learning experience. I am very thankful to the organizers for providing such a thoughtful platform which was meticulously arranged learning program. I appreciate time and efforts provided by the designated speakers for this meaningful training. Be it a virtual event, it successfully engaged the participants. The overall frame, which includes the FD FTP app, quiz assignments and progress reports were managed very well. I really enjoyed my time and looking forward for more workshops and training programs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Narendra Jathe. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Srimati Narsamma Art, Commerce and Science College, Amravati. First of all, I would like to congratulate to Organization Committee of National 1 Week Online Faculty Training Program and to all the attendees. I am glad to give feedback for National 1 Week Online Faculty Training Program on Training for Effective Online Teaching and Learning organized by Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, University of Delhi and KTHM College, Nasik. In pandemic situation, this training program was very useful as change was essential. It gives an opportunity to all fellow participants to grow despite corona outbreak out there. Due to mobile app, participant got day-to-day proper instructions about module, online lecture, name of the resource person, quiz, assignment. This mobile app works like a Moodle. I found it is very useful. Overall organization of faculty development training program was very smooth, nice, excellent. Within these 7 days, we enjoyed the FTP and learned many few things along the way. The research person in this FTP were very well trained and explanation of the concept was very effective. They covered various topics like PowerPoint, Google Suite, Open Educational Resource, Learning Management System like Google Classroom and Moodle, ICT tools and creating YouTube channel and publishing videos on it. These topics were presented by the resource person very nicely and was very effective for all the participants. It would be helpful for conduct online lecture in their respective colleges. I would like to thank all the resource person for their wonderful contribution. The quality of quiz and assignments were excellent and very interesting. I enjoyed them. One more very exciting feature was progress report system, which was very effective in the aspect of showing showing day-to-day performance of the participants. Finally, once again, I congratulate to the organization committee for such wonderful organization of faculty training program. Thanks for giving me opportunity to give feedback for such wonderful event. Thank you very much.
Good day to everyone. Myself, Dr. Pratima Wak. It was an honor to be participant of this faculty training program. During these tough times, when we are relying on digital connections to provide resilience, particularly in academics. This course has been beneficial in educating the educators on how to effectively deliver education using ICT. The pedagogy used and taught by renowned resource persons has made our transition as teachers in the digital space much easier. This workshop helps enrich our knowledge and can prove beneficial for teachers, students alike. I am thankful for the efforts and dedication by organizers and resource person in educating us regarding educational e-contents and hope more such workshops are organized to bridge the digital divide. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. I am Dr. Khushbu, FTP 262, and I am teaching as a guest faculty in Department of Zoology, Hansraj College, University of Delhi. The series of pedagogical training for effective online learning and teaching was very helpful and was a very beautiful journey of a week. And personally, I have learnt a lot. and my favorite is module 1st, 2nd, 6th and 11th. Other than that, rest of the course is also beautifully designed, and it helped me grow as a person as well as a teacher. And I wish to thank Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi University and KTHM College, Nasik for organizing this beautiful event, 1 week online training program for us, and wish them all the best and want to congratulate them for the successful completion of this event, and looking forward for further programs in this series so that we can learn a lot as a teacher and contribute in our respective academic fields and with respect to our particular subjects. All the best to them and congratulations to them.
Hello everyone, myself is Dr. Vikas Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Department of Zoology in Sri Guru Gobind Singh College, which is a minority constituent unit of Patliputra University, lies in Patna, Bihar. First of all, I would like to extend my warm regards and thanks to the organizing team, that is Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, Delhi University, as well as the KTHM College, Nasik, for organizing such a wonderful faculty training program on pedagogical training for effective teaching and learning. So this program was really very nice for teachers like us, because as a university teacher, I have felt so many things which is lacking behind in terms of in this pandemic situation, which is supposed to be on par with dealing with in such a situation. So first of all, I would like to thank all the lecturers and those who have delivered such a wonderful lecture and the training session that really gave us insight into the pedagogical tool related to the digital platform, and all sort of these programs are just an aid to our teaching and learning process. And earlier I used to think that I know so many things about these digital platforms, but after attending this workshop, this pedagogical training, I got to learn that whatever I knew about the digital platforms, where my knowledge was very small, little actually. So it was really enhanced my knowledge and efficiency. Obviously, it is going to help me to teach my student in a better way, because I have learned so many things right from the day one, where Dr. Renu Solanki and Dr. Shaili Anand has taught us, how to make an effective presentation and how to use so many tools in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Earlier I didn't aware about these incorporating these audio and video visual tools. By adding all these tools, it will really help our students to enjoy my lecture in a better way, because you know that the physical teaching is not it's not viable in these days because of this pandemic situation. Corona has really devastated our lives, and mostly students have affected as well as teachers. So in order to carry on this teaching learning process, all these pedagogical tools are really very helpful, and I think it should be must to learn for all the teachers, at least to impart their teaching on these platforms, invite all sort of aiding tools on their teaching so that the students get maximum benefit. One of the most important thing that I have learned so far in this training program, that all these pedagogical tools are really student oriented, because it has a lot of flexibility where students can mold themselves and they can come on the par of on our teaching. and they will get really benefited because of having all these digital platforms nowadays, because of online revolution, you can say. I am thankful to all those speakers who has enabled us to give insight about open education resources, OER, where the SWAM and that Government of India has started this wonderful platform where not only students but teachers can also get benefited, and such platforms should be utilized at most in our country. So I got such a wonderful insight because of this speaker, Dr. Balaji from JNU, who gave such a wonderful presentation about all these online open educational resources. Speakers from KTHM College were also very wonderful because they gave us so many insights, so many tools. We got acquainted with so many pedagogical methods to incorporate our teaching learning process. So, and last but not the least, I am again thankful to have such a wonderful training session, and successful training session rather I would say, because I have learned so many things and I am going to incorporate all these methods that I have learned in my teaching and learning process, where students will get benefited. I am so excited to learn all these things because this is going to be new for me, so I am going to utilize it at most. Thanks a lot.